Hello everyone, today I will show you how to delete my AI on Snapchat, and here's how it is done. If you have Snapchat Plus, you can easily unpin or remove the My AI chat. To do this, open the Snapchat app and make sure you are signed in with your Snapchat Plus account. Head over to the chat screen, locate the My AI chat, and tap and hold on it until a menu appears. From the menu, select Chat and Notification Settings. Here, you will see two options: clear from chat feed and unpin conversation. If you want to unpin it, tap on unpin conversation. If you want to remove it completely from the chat, choose clear from chat feed and then tap clear to confirm. However, if you don't have a Snapchat Plus subscription, you can only delete the data sent to my AI. To do this, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Next, tap on the settings gear icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Clear My AI Data. Finally, tap Confirm to delete the data. And that is everything you need to know about how to delete my AI on Snapchat. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.